Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to remove a single charge and add a new one on the invoice in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the open respective invoice. On this page, we have to click on the single button. On this invoice page, we have to click the edit option. Now we have to click on the delete option to delete the charge. After deleting the charge, here we have to select the pending charges on the invoice page. On this page, we have to select the charge that we want to add. Then we have to click on the save button. Now the selected charge is added to the invoice. This is how to remove a single charge and add a new one on the invoice in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.